G'day scientists, today I'm going to be reviewing this night glow slime kit from National Geographic. It's called Glow in the Dark Slime Lab and I picked it up during my recent mega shop of STEM kits at ALDI. I'm super suspicious about this kit. I recently reviewed the Dino Dig kit and it was light on the science. Let's see if this kit does any better. As usual, I'm going to be rating it on fun, price and what you learn while you're playing. And finally, I'll let you know whether I think you should buy it. Okay, here it is, the National Geographic Glow in the Dark Slime Kit, ages 8+. It cost me $14.99 from Aldi. I'm very skeptical of whether it's going to teach us anything at all. Let's open it up and check it out. First up, the instruction book. It's a separate sheet for making the slime and some language translations that we don't need. Here's an empty plastic tub to keep the slime in and some slime powder and a plastic spatula. That's it, nothing else in the box. Right, let's follow the instructions and make the slime. We need some water, which is fairly obvious, and something to mix with. I have this empty white bowl. First, we add the water into the bowl like so. Then we add the slime powder slowly while stirring. It says that we need to stir this continuously for 10 minutes. That's a lot of stirring. While I'm stirring this slime together, why not click like on this video, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when a new video drops. Okay, that's 10 minutes of stirring and it's quite wet for slime. Anyway, let's try it and pick it up and see what it feels like. It's sticky and gets stuck to my fingers. I don't think this is quite ready. I've left this for another, I would say 3 minutes, and it's starting to feel a bit more like slime. I would say that you need to stir this for a little bit longer and then let it sit before you start to handle it. I'm going to clean up a little and then come back to show you what it's like. It's hardened up a bit now and is really much more slime-like. I'm going to put it into the container and see if we can get some of those beautiful slime fart noises everybody loves. Okay, it's in the tub. Let's give it a go. Hey, a little bit, but it's not as noisy as other slime. I'll give it a stretch and see what it feels like. It stretches fairly nicely, but it's not anywhere near as good as other slimes. It's a little bit disappointing. Okay, it's now nighttime and we're going to check out how much it glows. Here it is. It glows quite well, but not really mega impressive. It's a tiny glow and it is actually completely dark here. That was a lot of stirring. I've never made slime before and I didn't realise that you had to keep stirring quite fast for 10 minutes, but probably more like 15 minutes. If you're a clean freak, you're gonna hate this. If you're a scientist, you're gonna be disappointed. If you paid full price for this, you're going to be annoyed too. The glow was very faint and the slime wasn't very slimy. It comes down to this. There are better slime kits out there if you really want slime, and there are better science kits out there if you want to learn science. I feel like National Geographic have tried to combine these two things together to be popular, but they've really failed at both. National Geographic, up your game with these STEM kits please. I am going to give the National Geographic Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Lab 1 star for fun, 1 star for price, and 1 star for learning. Buy or bye-bye? It's 100% bye-bye. That was disappointing, but I've got something to share with you that might keep you interested. I really love this video. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.